how to save videos to the Files app on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save videos from your Photos app directly into the Files app on your iPhone. Let's get into this. First, open up your Photos app. Find the videos you want to move. Tap Select in the top right corner and choose the videos you want. Once selected, tap the Share icon in the bottom left. Now scroll down the share sheet until you see the option that says Save to Files. Tap on it. You'll be able to choose a location like on my iPhone or any iCloud Drive folder. Once you've picked your desired folder, tap Save in the top right corner. Now go back and open your Files app. Go to the location you saved them in, and you'll see your videos there ready to access anytime, even when you're not in the Photos app. That's it for this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.